Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's Crypto Analysis coming at you with an update video on Bitcoin. So today we're going to break down the Bitcoin levels that I'm watching right now, and we'll determine whether you think we're bullish or bearish. And yeah, let's jump right into it. So Bitcoin is currently trading around 92,000, and what's important now is the price is sitting relative to the massive demand zone you see highlighted on my chart. We had a sharp flush into the zone, and we got a clear bounce out of, clear bounce out of it, and it's a special 91,300 level that we've been talking about for a couple of weeks now. So it's very, very important for Bitcoin to stay over 91.3 for continuation up to 95. What this also tells me is that buyers are still definitely active here, but the move is not confirmed yet. So we've got three major support levels based on the chart. The immediate support level is 91,388, which is what we've been talking about for weeks now. And then there's the 83,613, which is the lower end of this box that we have drawn, to 86,500, which is the deeper demand zone that we've actually retested once, twice, three, multiple times throughout the last couple of weeks since the beginning of November. And then there's the next capitulation zone, which is personally the next zone where I will be buying 0.002 BTC at $70,000. Okay, so the real problem is that if we do break 83.6, you're going to get a really big capitulation down to $70,000. So the resistance levels above top is obviously, as long as we stay over 91.3, 95 is in play. And then if we get to 106, then I'd say, hey, we have an actual shot at still being in a super cycle, Bitcoin to the moon. And then our next macro areas of resistance, which is the next all-time highs in my opinion, is still valid, which is why I haven't deleted that yet, because technically the bear market's not confirmed yet, but once we get down below 80,000, then yeah, I'm deleting this. Okay, so there's no point in having this. So that is the large top range that, if Bitcoin resumes a bullish trend, you're gonna get Bitcoin at 139, 148. Whether that's the end of this year or whether that's the Q1 2026, nobody knows the timing of it. But first and foremost, we have to break 95 and 106. So right now, price is stuck between major resistance overhead and serious demand underneath, which is why the next move is likely going to be explosive. Whether it's going to be going up or down, I don't know. So now, analyzing the moving average is the price is currently tapped underneath the 20 and 50-day moving averages. The 200-day moving average is sitting far above price, acting as long-term resistance. So 108,000, 105,000, and the 50 EMA it's at 90,000 right now. So price is at 92. It does look like, it's curling up. It does look like we are actually using it as support as well. But the key takeaway is that momentum hasn't flipped bullish yet, but the compression under the moving averages often leads to a sharp breakout once volume comes in. So just keep that in mind, okay? Now, our RSI is currently sitting around 48 to 49, the neutral territory, but coming off of a rebound from oversold conditions. This is the exact setup that preceded big trend reversals during the entire bull market, during the entire 2-3 year bull market. Oversold, you got a bounce, you made on the macro time frame, you made a next higher high. Oversold, you had a bounce, you made a next higher high. So you're oversold, so we're just waiting for that next higher high, right? Just keep in mind, Bitcoin rejects from resistance. If Bitcoin gets rejected from resistance here, the RSI has plenty of room to bleed lower as well. So because it's neutral, if we got a sell-off, it can still curl down, come back down, get oversold, make a lower low, and validate a downtrend forming. So the momentum is reset, but it's not decided yet. Here's a simple breakdown of what I am looking for and what I need Bitcoin to do next. If Bitcoin breaks above 95, we're likely to hit back 106, which is the 618 macro resistance from the high to the low. If Bitcoin loses 91.3, it falls back into this purple box. And once we break this area, 70,000 is the next macro support. So just keep that in mind. Right now, Bitcoin is forming a classic potential reversal base inside a huge demand zone, but until we reclaim 95,000 resistance and break above short-term moving averages, we don't have a confirmed bullish reversal just yet. You're just making lower highs, and it looks like you're forming some sort of bear flag. So you're just waiting for it to basically break down. Oh, I said the basically word, damn it. You're waiting for, whether how high it goes, whether it goes to 95 and then break down, or whether you just keep getting stuck at 91,000. You will come back down and break down. So now, taking a look at Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is not doing anything for us. For us individuals that unfortunately waited for alt season, we never got it. We're not getting it until we get a clear breakdown of Bitcoin dominance. What we want to see is Bitcoin dominance break down, price stay sideways, and Ethereum pump, and then eventually Ethereum dominance goes up, and money trickles into smaller caps. But if you get Bitcoin dominance drop with Bitcoin dominance, with Bitcoin price dropping, then what you're going to get is obviously minus 10% on BTC is minus 20% on altcoins. So that's not what you want to see. You want to see price action go up or stay the same with Bitcoin dominance dropping and Ethereum and altcoins moving up at that time. Okay, that's very important. And with that being said, just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. Thank you so much for watching. If you appreciate this type of clean chart analysis, please make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment what you think Bitcoin's next move will be. Thanks for watching, and stay safe and stay ready as always. Have a great day, have a great weekend, and I'll catch you in the next video.